Hello everyone, I am Ed Park, Managing Director at ATMS Logistics. Today, we'll be talking about an issue that many importers experience at least once during the import clearance process. The partner government agency hold, often referred to as a PGA hold. When a PGA hold occurs, your shipment can be delayed and additional logistic costs may arise. In this video, I'll be explaining why PGA hold happens and how you can resolve them step by step. We'll continue to upload more in-depth video on various import-related topics, so please stay tuned, like this video, subscribe, and turn on notification. Let's dive into today's topic. Let's start off with what a partner government agency PGA hold is. When U.S. Customs determine that a particular imported item requires review or approval by another federal government agency before entry, the customs clearance process is temporarily placed on hold until that agency's review is complete. Although U.S. Customs oversee the overall import-export process, there are other federal agencies that regulate specific areas such as safety, health, environmental protections, and consumer protection. Some well-known examples include FDA, which is Food and Drug Administration, EPA, which is Environmental Protection Agency, and FCC, Federal Communications Commissions. To make it easier for importers, we've prepared a table that summarizes the types of product regulated by various federal agencies and what each agency checks. You can refer to that for that reference. We also attach a link to related video about partner government agency. There are several common causes of PGA hold, and the first one is missing or inconsistent required documentation. This occurs when required permit, certificate, or test reports are not submitted or the information does not match. If documents are missing during electronic filing, clearance will not proceed at all. The second, incorrect product classification code. This occurs when the HS code declared at pre-notification differs from one entered at customs clearance, or when the code provided by the shipper differs from what was declared by the customs broker. Third, labeling, country of origin, or safety compliance concern. If customs suspect non-compliance with labeling, origin marking, or safety standard, a PGA hold may occur. Importers who have previously had compliance issues are more likely to face another hold. A link to our detailed videos on labeling and origin marking is provided. Fourth, the random sampling inspection. Sometimes holds occur for random inspection process. In this case, customs may physically inspect the goods, causing delays and unexpected costs, all of which are importers' responsibility. Let's say for whatever reasons, your shipment has a PGA hold flag, then how should you resolve a PGA hold? The first step is identify which agency placed the hold. The second, immediately contact your customs broker to determine the reason for the hold. Then, submit any missing or requested document promptly. For example, FDA might require prior notice form, or USDA might missing import permit. Fourth, if additional information is requested, respond immediately and submit any missing paperwork without delay. Next, once all documents are submitted, monitor the clearance process regularly until the shipment is released. Lastly, if necessary, your broker can request a re-inspection or re-evaluation with customs or the related agency. Processing time varies depending on the product, the agency involved, and cost of a whole. Simple document review might take only 1 to 3 business days. However, sampling or product analysis, then it might take 1 to 2 weeks. Complex issue, document discrepancy, or refund related cases, it will take several weeks or longer. As you have seen, a PGA hold can cause unexpected delays and additional costs. Here are how to minimize the risk. The first, before shipment, consult with your customs broker to understand which federal agency regulates your product and what documents is required. Then submit accurate and complete documents during customs filing. Use the correct product classifications, in this case, HS code. You can find a link to our video on tariff classification for reference. Lastly, work only with reliable exporter who complies with U.S. import regulations. That is all for today's video on U.S. partner government agency PGA Hold. What it means, why it happens, and how to resolve or prevent it. I hope this helped you navigate the U.S. import process more smoothly. We will continue to share in-depth videos on key import-related topics. Please stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via email shown on the screen. We will be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you again in our next video. Have a wonderful day.